Here we have a 2016 Ford Ranger WILDTRAK 4x4 DCB TDCI. Now with this vehicle you do get the 4 20-inch alloy wheels. These are the Riviera alloys and all in excellent condition, finished in black. Coming to the front of the vehicle, we've got the Panther black metallic exterior paintwork, large Ford badging on the front grille just there, and there's a look at your front angle. Coming around to this corner you'll see your second 20-inch alloy wheel. You've then got the dark grey wing mirrors and door handles to add that subtle contrast. Side steps down below with the WILDTRAK decals just above. Silver roof rails on top of the vehicle. You've also got the privacy glass for the rear passengers as well. There's a closer look at your third 20-inch alloy wheel. Another thing to add is, of course, we do have the wide arch kit on this vehicle, which looks absolutely fantastic. Now you've also got a reversing camera and reversing parking sensors, tow bar at the rear, mountain top roll cover, load cover there to keep your items secure and safe from the elements. And as you can see, the vehicle itself is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Now there's a closer look at your last alloy wheel, and let's check out the interior next. Half leather interior with the orange fabric and orange stitching, and how fantastic do these seats look. You've got the fold down armrest in the centre, ISOFIX points within the seats, 12 volt connectivity in the centre, storage pockets behind the front seats, brushed metal handle, electric window controls, more of that leather with the orange stitching, and of course your integrated speakers. Going on to the front now, we've got that same half leather interior. And again, how fantastic do these seats look. You've got the WILDTRAK stitching on either side, that same familiar orange stitching as well. Now the driver does benefit from the electrical adjustments, so it's incredibly easy to get comfortable in this vehicle as well. And both front seats are heated, which can be controlled in the centre there. Now you've got unlock and lock button, brushed metal handle, electric window controls with auto functions for the driver, child lock for the rear there as well. More of that leather with the orange stitching too. Now you've also got auto lights on your right just here, as well as your power folding electric wing mirror controls just above. Stepping inside, we'll start the vehicle up. Key in the ignition, foot on the brake, and we are away. Now as you can see, we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard there, and the vehicle itself has covered just over 41,200 miles. Taking a step back, you've then got your multifunctional steering wheel with volume, phone controls, speed limiter, cruise control, etc. Auto wipers on the right just there. Coming into the centre, you've got your infotainment screen with features like phone connectivity for making calls or listening to your music. You've also got your media. On here you've got AM, FM and DAB radio, CD, USB, and then if we scroll down here you've also got Bluetooth audio, SD card and your auxiliary line in as well. Back onto the home screen you've also got your satellite navigation. I'll just start that up now. There you go. And then last but not least, we've got our temperature controls just here. So it is dual zone climate control, so you can control each side of the vehicle's temperature independently. Heated seats, like I mentioned before, for both front passengers. Of course, we've also got ice cold air conditioning in here as well. Now another thing to add, reversing camera with the visual display with the rear parking sensors there as well. Now coming down, you've also got stereo controls and climate controls with physical buttons just below. You've got two 12 volt connection points, auxiliary connection, SD card and two USB ports down below there. You've also got your traction control and hill descent control just above there too. 2 high, 4 high and 4 low driving modes for off-road use, and it's also worth noting we can take manual control of the gears with the gear stick like so as well, should you wish. 2 good sized cup holders in the centre. You've got your handbrake just here with that same leather and orange stitching matching the armrest here as well, and then this does also double up as storage. You've got the first pocket and then the second layer underneath there as well for whatever you may need. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That is all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching.